You guys may remember this camera from a couple of previous videos. I made a video on an attempt of fixing the audio. It was a desperation attempt because I needed a camera that didn't overheat. I went ahead and I didn't do a research before doing this, so I drilled holes on the waterproof case. But that was it served the purpose because it did fix the audio setting, the audio, and now the camera is very lightweight, very compact, and now you can actually record videos and do vlog videos, not a problem. But the quality of the sound is still not that great. So I went ahead and I did a research, and they actually sell a 3.5 millimeter adapter. GoPro makes it, and that improves the audio on your GoPro. So I went ahead and bought it. And so this camera right here is there was no need to damage the waterproof case, but that was an experience for me. I learned the hard way, but no worries. I already bought another a replacement waterproof camera, a GoPro, so I don't have a problem with that. But yes, if you do a research, you will find a couple of different products that they sell to improve the audio on your GoPro 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I decided to make a tutorial video because I owe you guys this much. So stay tuned for this one. So this is one of the items I'm talking about. This one, I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies, by the way. I'm gonna mention the names because they do work. You're gonna be needing a case because the adapter is pretty big. The microphone adapter for GoPro is big, so it's gonna fit at the very bottom of this new case that I bought for it. This is the adapter that I'm talking about. They're saying that that it must be an OEM. It has to be an original GoPro adapter. I paid $49 for this bad boy right here. It's quite large, but that's the reason why you need that case that I just showed you. And this is gonna be the microphone that I'm gonna be using. This one is gonna be a Rode microphone. I did some research on it. This one is very compact, so I'm gonna give this guy a test. It comes with the dead cat fur that is supposed to minimize the wind noise and whatnot. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna set everything up. Since I don't have anybody to hold the phone for me, I'm not gonna bring you along with the setup, but it's quite simple. The GoPro 5 is gonna fit inside the case just like it would on the old one. It's just that you have to also add the adapter and also the microphone, which is going to be sitting on top of the case. So I'm going to put it together. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to show you how it looks like at the end. And by the way, in order for this to work, this little door right here on the side of your GoPro, it must be removed 100%. You can leave it there if you want, but it's going to interfere with your microphone hookups. So it's best to just leave it off. This camera is not gonna leave the case anyways because it's not waterproof anymore. But in my case, okay, all right, folks. So there you have it. This is your GoPro 5 vlogging machine. Anyway, so this is all I have for you guys today, and so you know that this microphone works really good. I have not put it on a test yet, but I'm gonna end this video by recording a portion, just the end, just to the end of this video using my GoPro with the new setup. Got my Rode microphone. It's already connected. The adapter goes at the very bottom of the case, as you can see, and I even got a new handle for it, a new selfie stick, and it came with this adapter. and this is where you put your iPhone or your Android. That way you can see what you are recording at the same time. It's a nice vlogging, very inexpensive camera that you guys can buy. Literally, guys, you can buy a pre-owned GoPro 5 for less than 150, 175. I just picked another a GoPro 3, the black edition, for 60 bucks. And I needed to do that because when I go on vacation, I'm gonna need a waterproof camera. I didn't want to go and get a brand new GoPro because there's no point. That GoPro 5, I bought it brand new and I only used it maybe in 3 vacations. And to be honest, those videos I have not even do the editing on them. And oh my goodness, since last time I went to Hawaii. Anyway, so I just went online and I picked this guy up for 60 bucks. It's the GoPro, it's the Generation 3, the black edition. It came with a whole bunch of different accessories. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with it. I already put it on a test and it's working as a brand new camera. So yeah, I already replaced my GoPro. I know I made a big mistake by ruining my GoPro 5, but it's okay. Live and learn. That one, I'm just gonna use it to make my videos, and it's not gonna leave the case. So it's gonna be my vlogging camera from now on. And this one, I'm just gonna save it for my vacation trips. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video using my new GoPro 5 with a new microphone setup, and let's see how it sounds. Okay guys, so we're gonna end this video. So this is it. This is the new setup, my new GoPro 5 with the Rode microphone and the case, the Ulanzi case, and everything seems to be working fine. So you guys know I went inside and tried to edit the video, and this is not the original recording, by the way. So when I went inside the house, I plugged it into my computer and it turned out that I didn't get no audio whatsoever. And that is because you're supposed to turn off the audio of your on the settings on your GoPro. So you just make sure that when you do this setup, to turn off the audio settings, and that way, I don't know how it works, but and I still don't know if this video is gonna work, but I guess I'm gonna find out soon enough. Anyways, so guys, thank you very much. And so you guys know, just a quick tip. The Rode microphone that is set on top of the case, in order for the fur, the dead cat fur, in order to not to interfere with the image, what I did is that I grabbed some zip ties, and I zip tied a couple of fishing weights at the back of the microphone, so it tilts backwards, so it doesn't interfere with the image. Just a quick tip for you guys, if you guys are YouTubers or whatnot. Anyways, so this is all I have for you guys today. I really hope this microphone, this ugly thing, I cannot believe, man, I almost look like a YouTuber. I really hope my neighbors don't make fun of me. Anyways, I needed a camera, so this is it. So hopefully this works. And thank you guys for watching this video. If this was useful for you guys in any ways possible, please give me some likes. I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies, but I think this company, especially the little case, is perfect for the adapter that GoPro is providing for these GoPro 5s. I think it works excellent. The Rode microphone, I guess I'm gonna find out soon enough if this works, and this is perfect because right now it's kind of windy, and this Rode microphone, especially the this feature with the dead cat fur, is supposed to minimize the wind sound. And right now, as you can see, it is kind of windy, so this is gonna be the perfect test for this microphone. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I went ahead and changed my clothes, as you can see. So this is not the original video. I had to edit again because on my first take, I didn't record any audio off of my GoPro 5. So what I did is I turned off the settings on my audio off of my GoPro 5. Hopefully this works. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to leave those likes if you like this content. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.